Hi there, I'm Carmen and I'm back in the studio here at Aligned Pilates. In today's video demonstration, we are going to be taking a look at the exercise breathing on the Cadillac. Two parts to the breathing of what you use on the Cadillac will be your trapeze and your rollback bar, okay? To set up for breathing, this is just something that I've used, I guess, throughout my time of training Pilates. But what you're going to do is sort of find a measurement where, you can feel that spread. And this kind of translates to how long your body is, okay? So it's just simply that. You're going to tighten up on your rails, your speed rails, whether you have your knobs up there or here. Make sure that's tight and not moving, okay? Then from there, this should not move when we're in the breathing, so I don't want to see it swinging back and forth. From here, I'm going to place my feet into the trapeze, and I can also find out from here at this point if this is too far away. And I think I've overestimated myself there and how tall I was. So let's move this a bit. It's more like it. And I also want to prepare my rollback bar. Again, I'm on the Contrology Cadillac. Nice firm base for my back to feel flat on it. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take that inhale as we lift up into that pelvic lift, as we engage the bar like a chest expansion experience. So we're just rising up on that inhale, holding that inhale, and then exhale, lengthening through the body to return. Now, what we want to not do, or what you're working, let's say what we're working to always be, is in our connection. It's really easy to stay connected because you're working through such a resistance of the springs, but it's the return that we want to stay on, arms on our spine as we're returning, okay? And then what gets complicated is being able to pull that air in, hold it in, hold it in, hold it in, and then return. I don't know if you noticed, but at no point was I going to be able to pull that bar to my body. I think way back in when I started Pilates, I assumed that that bar had to get down, and I totally was disconnected in my back. So priority is always our connecting to the center. We're using our abdominals, our back muscles, and the leg muscles all to come up into the center. So keep that in mind. If you have any questions about breathing, feel free to leave your comments below and I'll get back to you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. It means a lot, and we'll see you in the next video.